I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a head gasket on a Honda CR-V. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a torque wrench, gasket scraper, and new head gasket. Begin by draining the engine coolant and disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety. Next, carefully remove the intake manifold, exhaust manifold, and any other components that obstruct access to the cylinder head. This preparation is crucial for a smooth repair process. With the surrounding components removed, you can now unbolt the cylinder head. Follow the manufacturer's specified loosening sequence to prevent warping. Once removed, carefully inspect both the cylinder head and engine block surfaces for any signs of warpage, cracks, or damage. Use a straight edge to check for flatness. Thoroughly clean all mating surfaces to ensure the new gasket creates a perfect, leak-free seal. Now, carefully place the new head gasket onto the engine block, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Then, gently lower the cylinder head back into position. Install the head bolts, tightening them in the manufacturer's specified sequence and to the exact torque specifications. This is critical for preventing future leaks. Reconnect all previously removed components, including the manifolds and wiring, and refill the engine with fresh coolant and oil. After reassembly, it's crucial to bleed the cooling system thoroughly to remove any trapped air, which can cause overheating. Start the engine and let it reach operating temperature, carefully monitoring for any coolant or oil leaks and listening for unusual noises. Take it for a short test drive, paying attention to temperature gauges. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including smart home devices like the Echo Dot smart speaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.